Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today I'm back with this iftar recipe for Ramadan that tastes so delicious. Baked chicken, so juicy, so tender, and so crispy on the outside. You can never go wrong with this recipe, especially alongside some baked vegetables. It's just incredible. So before we waste any more time, let's dive into it. The ingredients we need for our baked chicken is just chicken washed with lemon and salt, okay, and rinse with water, okay, and I cut it so it can cook faster in the oven. And we're using our special homemade marinade that I already have on my channel, okay, and this is what we need to marinate this chicken. Putting it into the holes. Okay, so I slice the breast a little bit so I can put the marinade in. So make sure the marinade goes to every part of this chicken. That's how it looks after being marinated. Now I'm just gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Okay, after marinating the chicken overnight, this is how it looks. Now in my baking tray or aluminum bowl or whatever baking tray you have, I laid some rag like so, okay, so the chicken doesn't soak in its own juices. So I'm just gonna lay the chicken on that rag, and in this bowl I have some potatoes with the skin on, already washed, some carrots and some corn on the cob that I'm going to grill along with the chicken. So in this bowl I have a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, okay, a little bit of rosemary and oregano, okay, and that's all I have in that bowl. In here I have some oil, so I'm just gonna take this mixture, okay, and add it to my vegetables, okay. Add in some oil, okay. I also added some salt to it, okay. You can use salt or seasoning cubes. Now I'm just gonna mix all that together, all right, and then it will be on the side and bake along with the chicken. So okay, on the chicken too, I'm just gonna take some of that and put it to the top, okay, and lay it gently on the rack. There you have it, all beautifully placed. Now I'm just gonna take some spraying oil, okay, and spray the whole chicken. At this moment my oven is preheating at 400 degrees, okay, and we're going to bake this chicken at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes or until cooked through and golden brown. All right, let's check our chicken and see how it is doing in the oven. Wow, just look at that. Tell me this is not beautifully baked. Looking all good. Look at these vegetables. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye. Ramadan Mubarak to you all.